What's up you guys? Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna do kind of like a summery peachy look, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Hourglass stick foundation and just use this to spot treat or just cover up any small scars or blemishes that I may have. With foundation, and I'm using Armani Power fabric. Okay, now concealer. Okay, now we're gonna go with some stick contour. Okay, so cream contour is done. Now we're gonna powder everything. I already put some clear translucent powder to set my concealer, but now I'm gonna go with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Pressed Powder. Eyebrows, and I'm just going to brush them up first and start from the bottom and then go to the top. I'll take another eyebrow brush. Both of these are from L'Oreal. Then I'll brush my eyebrow down now. Both of them. And this one's angled, as you can see. But I just kind of lightly fill the top. Okay, and then I have some eyebrow gel here. I'm just gonna brush all the hairs up. Any extra product on the tip, I just apply to the ends. I always like to prime my eyes before eyeshadow. Okay, so my eyes are primed. Now I'm just going to start with a really bright orange on my lid. And so I'm taking this one from the Yes Please palette by ColourPop. Always want to tap off any excess. And I'm just going to apply this to my lid. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Orangey color, like an orangey peachy color. And I'm gonna go kind of like on the outer part of that peachy shade. And try to like wing it out just a little bit. And pick up a light peachy shade and put that right in the center of my eyelids here, just to brighten up that area a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back with that orange shade from the ColourPop palette, and I'm just going to blend that in with the color that I applied in the center. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just kind of blend everything on the top part of the lid together. I'm gonna take some of that peachy orangey shade and apply it underneath here. And then blend it out with a small blending brush. For the inner tear duct, I'm going to take, I think I'm gonna take this color here and pop that in the inner tear duct area. And applying mascara. Going with Laguna by NARS and angled brush, and just kind of bronze up my face very subtly. Okay, and then gonna pat some Olympia blush onto the high points of my cheekbone. I like this blush because it gives my face a nice, just luminous, soft luminous finish. So okay, so after that I'm going to apply Flamingo by MAC, and it's kind of like a corally peachy color too. But I'm going to apply the KKW Beauty, no, the KKW Kim Lip Cream by Kylie Cosmetics. And this is kind of a corally color, so it's gonna tone down the pink that I put on, or it's gonna tone down the pink of this flamingo lipstick. And you just blend everything out. Okay, well this is the finished look here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.